Good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining. Got a new shoe we're opening tonight that I'm pretty excited about. So it's something still funky. But before I get started, appreciate everybody who's watching so far. Make sure you subscribe to the page, and if you like what you see, hit the like button there. If you want to comment on just a funky facial hair, let me know. It's a little tricks playing on my daughter today, just to get a opinion out of her. She said to shave it, so it'll be gone in the morning. So next time I do one of these, it won't be there. So what I have here is actually a bigger box than I thought it was going to be. So it's the Acronym Presto Mid. So this came out, I want to say Tuesday or Wednesday on the Nike sneakers app. So it's one of the scratchers, I guess, doing whatever they can to compete against the bots. So like I said, pretty excited about this. This is never owned a Presto Mid. Had a pair of Presto Greedies that eventually just wore into the ground. So here you go, nice big box, black Nike. What do we have here? So then we have our label, Air Presto Mid, Acronym. So size 12. There you go. All right, let's get to opening this thing up. So just your white paper in here, open them up, and then there's a lot of color on here. So we have this, it's all like a nylon, like the Prestos are. So we have this, kind of like bright blue. It's not quite a baby blue, not a royal blue. And then the pink, and then the Volt here across the side here, then on the toe, and then here around the laces, and then coming around the back, in this plastic. Not quite a houndstooth. I'm sure there's an official term for it that I just don't know. And then just kind of the Presto on the bottom. So this is actually just a real funky shoe. So then we have the zip, here on both sides. Kind of have to put your foot in. Hope you can see all that. Acronym Nike. So we have our black laces. And just a pretty neat shoe. Also like the way they did the drop with the scratcher. Gives me more of a chance. Not really a bot guy. I guess if I find something that I have to have that I didn't think I'd be able to get any other way, I'd look at one. And then when we look at the right shoe, just more of the same. Just the pink, and it's actually it's really, keep on saying, the funky shoe with the color. See if I can find something to wear it with. If anybody's got any opinions or anything, feel free to send it. So, and then I guess you have a little button here for the back and the zippers. So yeah, just a exciting shoe. It's just different. I don't know what too much to say. It's a special edition. It was a little surprise drop, and then I think they're released for good on the 21st. And there's a couple different colors as well. I think there's a black and white. I think there's one with more Volt. But yeah, it was behind the sneakers, or behind the design. So every time I see one of those, I'm just kind of scratching the whole thing to see what if there's something there. They did the Serenas as well, which I got in a box over there that be doing it in a couple days, but just wanted to do these first, just because these are just pretty out there. So Nike's done a pretty good job, the last couple months with their collaborations and making good shoes and making money. So appreciate everybody's time this evening. Hope everybody had a good Labor Day, and get back to work tomorrow. So I got some other stuff that I need to open that I'll try to do later in the week. So I have something that I mentioned my daughter earlier. So a pair of shoes for her. I'd like to get her to do. She's only 4, so but she's actually better at this than I am, which isn't surprising. So like I said at the beginning, subscribe to the page if you like what you're seeing. Give hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Shoes, anything else, and everybody have a good evening.